So let us go back to the plugins page. Here, plugins, install plugins. Here there's an option to add new, so click on add new. You can even go directly to add new plugin. Here you can search in for PayPal. So PayPal is a very important payment gateway to accept payments internationally. I hope you are aware about this. So some people may be asking, how do I accept payments from abroad and all that stuff? So this is the best way I would recommend to you. There is a PayPal website, so you need to go to paypal.com. So once you go on paypal.com, you will be redirected to this type of website. It might be different for the country you are located in. Suppose you're in Europe, you will have a different website shown to you, whereas I'm in India, so this is what website I get to see. So there's a very easy login process. You need to sign up first of all, so just click on sign up button. You need to fill in all the details, like whether you're an individual or a business account. Then click on continue, and then they'll ask you more details, like basic things like username and password and all that stuff. It's very simple. So once you have set up the PayPal account, you need to enter in your bank details. So then there will be a very small amount that is being credited to your bank account. That can be a few dollars, like $1 or $2, or it will be a very small amount. Then for confirmation purposes, you have to log in into your admin panel, that is in the PayPal dashboard. You have to log into the dashboard and just enter the confirmation amount, whatever the amount was received by you. So in this way they verify your account, and your account is eligible to receive payments, which is one of the most important things to grow a business, is to accept payments from other people. Now you can even pay people using the PayPal account. Suppose if you want to pay somebody money, you can use a PayPal account. So there is a customer support. You can just go to their contact us and ask them for feedback, like how to use their website and all that. If you have more questions, they will surely help you in much more detail than what I'm doing. Here you see, like, they have made it very easy to contact them. There's a resolution center, email, customer support and all. It's very easy to contact them. They should have a 24/7 call center. At least they should be available in the daytime, if not 24/7. Their numbers are usually toll free, so feel free to call them up. Now there are 3 or 4 types of PayPal plugins. One is for easy digital downloads. So with the help of this plugin, you can sell softwares, images, MP3 files and other digital items. Like if you have a software or something, like for example, if you have created a software, like what I do, I create software sometime and I sell them online. So this is one of the best plugin that I ever used. Now let's go and see the other plugins. This is the PayPal plugin, button plugin. In this PayPal button plugin, it just lets you enable users to pay you money. So you have to just create the button. You can create the button even by conducting a Google search. I'm going to show you how it's done. Here we type in PayPal. So once you click on this, there is an easy way to create a code for the button. Here there's a buy now button. So just click on the link. So here the buttons for single purchases. So just ensure that you are signed in when you're creating this button, it will be very easy to create your button. So you have to, once you're signed in into the PayPal account, you need to come to this page. I'll try to link this page in the video description. Okay, so click on this create your button now. It will take you to this particular screen. Here you need to enter in your PayPal email address. So whenever you sign up for a PayPal account, you will have a email address that you use while signing up. So in order to accept payments, you need to use the same email address. So you can use the same email address to accept payments. Okay, in case you want to send somebody money on PayPal, you have to enter in their PayPal email address and just send them money. You have to enter in the amount inside PayPal. It's very easy. So here there's a create button. It will help you create the button. Just enter in your email address if you are not logged in, but I recommend you logging in. This is my PayPal email address. So just press create a button. You have to enter in the details like what amount has to be entered in and all that stuff. I don't know how to let me go through, but there is a field to enter in the amount. Here you see that there is an price section. So if you want a specific price, then this is the best way to get it done.